Do you have an error preventing the Napmontr Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before we dive into the Napmontr library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Napmontr library, the Network Access Protection (NAP) monitor, a legacy unmanaged module that monitored system health manifests to determine network access eligibility, facilitates the orchestration of compliance data links. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Napmontr Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Napmontr library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A quick warning, many sites offering Napmontr Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Napmontr library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Napmontr library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.